Hello, good morning my dear students. This is Tiru sir, your English teacher. So welcome to the online classes of Sri Eknath Rao Khare Saturday English Medium School Muktanagar. So dear students, today we are going to discuss the prose part of the unit 5. The lesson name is the yellow butterfly. Okay, so today we are going to discuss the yellow butterfly of the lessons. So this lesson is very interesting. So let you start without late. A yellow butterfly flew around in Sonu's garden. Sonu is one of the boy. So in his garden, a yellow butterfly came. Sonu saw the butterfly. He ran to catch it. The butterfly flew to the rose bed. It sat on red rose. Now I cannot catch it, said Sonu. He walked slowly and silently to catch the butterfly. He came closer and still closer. But then off flew the butterfly. So what happens? So he liked the butterfly, Sonu liked the butterfly, so he wanted to catch it. So when he wanted to catch it, he flew away and he sat on the rose bed, rose flower. So he thought that, oh, I cannot catch it, but still he tried himself and slowly went to closer and closer to the rose bed. Just till closer he went, but again when he just about to catch, again it flew away. When did the butterfly go? Where did the butterfly go? Near the garden was a pond. In the pond was a white lotus. Around it grew round leaves. They floated in the water. The butterfly sailed on a floating leaf. Sonu went splash into the water of the butterfly. Where was it? Sonu looked up, looked down. Near the wall was a peach tree. It had pink flowers. The butterfly sat on a pretty flowers. Then what happens? He fly away from that place. So again he's searching. Where the flowers? Where is the butterfly? You see, he went to sit in the near of the garden pond. There was a pond. So it has big leaves. So he sat on the leaves. So what the Sonu did? Just to splash the water. So he flew off from the place and he went to another. He saw all of the side. Where is the butterfly? Where is the butterfly? Where? Just he's searching. He was searching. Suddenly he saw on the wall, in that wall, a very beautiful flower. On that flower, the butterfly has sit. Next, yeah, I can catch you, shouted the Sonu. Abhi pakdunga ruko. I can catch you. He climbed up the tree, up he climbed, but back it flew. Down from the tree, Sonu jumped down too. He chased the butterfly from the rose to lotus to peaches tree, but he couldn't catch the butterfly. Again, rose to lotus to peaches again, rose to lotus peaches. So continuously he moved and moved. He chased him, but he couldn't catch it. वो पकड़ नहीं पाया. He couldn't catch it. Then what happened? Sonu couldn't see it all. He looked everywhere. At last he saw the butterfly. Then after some times she couldn't see. He couldn't see the butterfly where it was. After some times, after searching for some times, he saw the butterfly. There was a big spider's web in the peach tree. The butterfly was caught in the spider web. It looked sad as it tried to escape. It fluttered its wing. It twisted and turned, but it could not escape. The spider's web held it tight. Poor butterfly. But when he saw after some times, what happens? He stuck with a butterfly. Stuck the butterfly in a wave, in a spider wave, and he was looking very sad. He tried many times to escape from the place, but he couldn't. Then in the middle of the wave was a big spider. It looked hungry It wanted to catch the butterfly. Closer and closer crawled the black spider. Before the hungry spider could grab it, Sonu ran and he caught the butterfly. It was so pretty. It had brown spots on its yellow wings. Sonu loved the little butterfly, but it looked sad in Sonu's hand. Sonu wanted it to be happy. So what happened? In the spider web, there was a big spider on the center of this spider web, and he looks like also so hungry that he can eat to the butterfly. So he is coming towards the butterfly slowly. So before he came near to the butterfly, the Sonu ran towards it and he removed from the spider web, and the butterfly became so happy. Means he removed from it, but still he was not happy. But the Sonu wanted happy. It was very colorful. It looks small dots on it, and it looking very beautiful. But it was so sad. That's why the butterfly, the Sonu wanted to make happy. So what he did? Go, said the Sonu, fly away. He let the butterfly go. It sat on the red rose, it flew to the peaches trees, and then sailed on a lotus leaf. It flew merrily from flower to flower. Sonu watched it fly and fly. The butterfly flew all around the Sonu's garden, happy and free once again. Then after, when he felt that he is sad, so he wanted to make happy. So what happens? Actually, he caught it. He left and he let it go to the butterfly, and the butterfly flew away happily again, as it is how it was flying before, rose to lotus flower, lotus to peaches tree. So in this way again he started to move, and in this way all over the garden he started to fly. Whose garden? Sonu's garden. And he became so happy. By looking this, Sonu also became so happy. So the students, I hope these lessons you understand better, and so read this lesson carefully and interestingly, and if you have any doubt, definitely you may ask to me. Hard words and question answers and everything I will send in a PPT. You write that, read the lessons properly, and try to understand this video and these lessons. Okay, so till then keep watching. Till then, bye bye.